Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change the SIM tray is not working and the memory card is not working. As you can see, I opened all the screws from the back cover, take the battery out, and the SIM tray is here. With the SD, the good thing is it's a flex, so you don't need to do any soldering, anything. All you do is stuck on the glue, basically stick on the metal bar. I'll show you just 1 second. Let me just, you have to be very careful though. As you can see, it comes right off. 1 second, there you go. It comes together, the SIM card and the memory tray. Two of them is a FlexiBuy. That's as you can see. Then you pipe in the back. They have a little holes, as you can see the sides. Make sure they sit in the right places. And then the flex, make sure the flex is connected, otherwise SIM tray, the SIM card is not going to read. There you go. That's how easy it is to change the SIM tray and the memory card together. That's S3. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up.